Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Lukas McCourt giving you some tips about your legal rights regarding personal injury matters and also criminal defense matters. Some common things that I'm asked all the time are, what do I do if I get arrested? The reality is the police can investigate you and they don't necessarily have to arrest you while they're investigating you. They will ask you questions, they want you to cooperate with them, and they make you feel like it's very important that you cooperate with them. And in the meantime, you might be giving up a lot of your rights. If you do get arrested, you need to know the process. Procedurally, the police can arrest you for pretty much any crime. They can arrest you for jaywalking. They don't typically do that because it's kind of a waste of time, but you need to know that they can arrest you for any reason. It doesn't necessarily mean that you're going to be charged later on with a crime, but if you are arrested, stay calm and remember your rights. You have the right to remain silent and you have a right to an attorney. Remember those rights and you can keep asking for those things. In this day and age, everything is being recorded. Typically, the police have their body cam, the cameras on their person, and they're supposed to be turned on. They're not always turned on, but they are supposed to be turned on. The places where you are, if you're in a casino or if you're in a store, most of those places have cameras as well. So you are being watched, you are being recorded. Not all of them have audio, but there are recordings about what's going on. So that's good for your defense. If you didn't commit the crime that you're being accused of, the places where you were will typically have a recording about what actually is happening. It can help with timestamps and that sort of thing. If you find yourself being interrogated, you're arrested, you can keep insisting on having an attorney. And it's very important that you do that because your attorney will come in and protect your rights. Another common question that I'm faced with each day is, what is the difference between a felony and a misdemeanor? A felony is any crime that's not a misdemeanor. And I know that sounds funny, but that's the reality. A misdemeanor is a jaywalking, it's speeding, it's a DUI. But DUIs can turn into felonies. Domestic violence is also a misdemeanor, but that can turn into a felony as well. If you're faced with a felony, you're faced with real prison time. And there's a difference between prison and jail. Jail is typically where you spend a few days because of a misdemeanor. Prison is where you're going away and you're writing notes to your family because you're not going to see them for years. Call an attorney if you are faced with a felony crime. Thanks for tuning in today. And don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Leave a comment. We can get back to you. Call us. Again, this is Lukas McCourt giving you some daily tips from Clark McCourt Lawyers.